Hey, how's it going everyone? In this video here, you are going to learn how to make icons bigger or smaller on Windows 10. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. Let us see the first way. Now, the first way that you can do this is by right-clicking an empty space on the desktop or inside a folder. So as you can see right here, I'm in the desktop. And so all I have to do is right-click an empty space, so that'll be anywhere right here in this region. Not on these. Do not right click on these. These are icons in folders, as you can see. Don't right click on these. Don't. Okay, so now you're going to right click an empty space and then hover the cursor on view, and from there, as you can see, you have the option for large icons, medium icons, and small icons. As you can see, by default it is set on medium icons. Now say for example I have very good vision, I have eagle eyes, and I can zoom in with my eyes, and I want to make this icon small. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now we're going to choose small icons. So right click, hover the cursor on view, select small icons, and as you can see, these icons are now very small. They are much smaller now. Now say for example I'm now blind and I want to make these icons even bigger. To do that, I'm going to right click an empty space again, hover the cursor on view, and select large icons. And as you can see, these are huge right now. Okay, and like I said earlier, this works in the folder environment as well. Say for example I open this folder and I want to change the size of these icons. All I have to do is the same thing, is right click an empty space right here, not on these guys, in this white space right here, right click an empty space, hover the cursor on view, and from there, as you can see, I have the options for extra large icons, medium icons, and small icons. As you can see in the folders, inside the folder environment, you have this extra option right here to view as extra large icons. So now let's see what happens in case you're curious. If I select extra large icons, view extra large icons, and as you can see, these icons are ginormous. Okay, they're huge. Alright, so now let's see the second way that you can change icons. The second way that you can change icons is actually even easier and even more practical. Doing it is very simple. As you can see right here, these icons they're pretty big, and I want to make them small again. So all I have to do is hold Control and then scroll down with the mouse to decrease the size of the icons. If I want to increase the size of the icons, all I have to do is hold Control and then scroll up. Now I want to decrease the size of these icons, so I'm going to hold Control and then scroll down. As you can see, they're getting smaller, 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 and now they are infinitely small. Okay, so now say for example I want to make them even bigger. All I have to do is hold Control and then scroll up, up, up. They're getting bigger, 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 and now exponentially bigger. They're now huge. Okay, and the interesting thing is this works in web browsers, in word processing. Like for example, you're typing a document in Microsoft Word, this works too. Say for example I open Google Chrome right here, or Internet Explorer or Firefox, this works there as well. And as you can see, if I scroll up, hold Control and scroll up, look at how much it zooms in right here. If I scroll down and hold Control, it zooms out. Okay, it's now very small. Zoom out, zoom in, and this works for word processing as well. So if I type WordPad here and type hello world, and if I hold Control and scroll up, it zooms in. If I hold Control and scroll down, it zooms out. So very simple. So as you can see, the second way is really simple and really practical. Alright, and so this is how you change icons in Windows 10. Remember, there are two ways that you can do this. You can either right click an empty space on the desktop or inside a folder, hover the cursor and view and select small icons, medium icons, or large icons. Or you can use the quick practical shortcut. You can hold Control and scroll up to increase icons, the size of the icons, or you can hold Control and scroll down to decrease the size of the icons. Okay, that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.